Hello friends, good afternoon. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is burning soles and feet and palms. Okay, so many patients coming to us in our regular practice, they are always having burning sole, burning palms, as well as sole means the feet. They are having burning feet. See, it is the most important thing. You have to ask to your patient whether they are having some burning in their soles and feet or on the palms or on the vertex head region. You have to ask them so that your medicine will be towards your minimum. So what are those remedies? In short, we are going to talk today. So burning feet and soles, when other remedy fail, you have to try Cantharis. So I hope you all are knowing Cantharis. Cantharis is one of the medicine which is prepared from Spanish fly. If you are my student, I have told you in first year pharmacy lecture, Spanish fly is the common name for Cantharis. Okay, so Cantharis is one of the best medicine which we are using especially for burning. If any burning and anywhere inside the body or on the skin or anywhere, if the burn case is there and they are having severe burning, you can think of Cantharis in that case. Whatever medicine you have given, if there is no result, you can think of Cantharis. Okay, you can give it in a mother tincture form or you can give it in a 30th potency, 200 potency, depend on the susceptibility of the patient. So next thing is when soles and palms both are burning. सोल्स पे भी बर्निंग है, पाम्स पे भी बर्निंग है, फीट्स भी बर्न कर रहे हैं, दैट इन दैट केस यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ लैक्टैन. ओके, दिस इज अगेन वन ऑफ द मेडिसिन विच इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द मिल्क, ओके, ऑफ द कैट. ओके, सो लैक्टैन, मिल्क ऑफ कैट और काउ. I have to make it confirm, but Laccan is the medicine for burning soles as well as palm. Next one is the soles burning, and must put them into a cold or out of the blanket. Whenever patient is sleeping and they are having severe burning of their soles, they have to keep their sole or their feet out of the blanket. Covering से बाहर निकालना पड़ता है. This is the most important symptom of medorinum. Okay, so medorinum as well as petroleum. Petroleum is also one of the best medicine in this case where the patient is having severe burning of their soles and they have to keep their feet out of the covering. So medorinum and petroleum. Then soles burning and itching together. Burning भी होता है, itching भी होता है. Itching करते हैं, itching के बाद burning होता है. Burning होता है, उसके बाद वापस itching होता है. Calcarea sulf is the medicine for that. So very important clinical tips these all are. You have to make it confirm your patient is having burning or not on their soles and palm. Then soles aching without walking. सोल्स में पेन रहता है, हमेशा फीट्स में दर्द रहता है. पेशेंट इज टेलिंग यू कि लाइक ऑलवेज आई एम हैविंग पेन इन माय सोल. सो इन दैट केस टार्टारिक एसिड इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेडिसिन. ओके, आई हैव कंफर्म ऑल दोज मेडिसिन एंड देन ओनली आई एम टेलिंग यू, माइंड इट. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ पेनफुल व्हाइल वॉकिंग. सोल्स तब पेनफुल होते हैं जब वो चलते हैं. whenever they are walking, their soles gets pain. The medicine is Ledampal. Okay, next one is the aching, worse, touch and sensitive. उनके जो एकिंग रहता है पैर सोल्स में इतना वर्स रहता है, जब भी आप टच करते तो भी वो पेनफुल रहता है. सो जिंकम इज द मेडिसिन फॉर दैट केस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज बर्निंग ओनली इन हील्स. उसके जो सोल्स रहते हैं उसके हील्स में से बर्निंग रहता है तो आपको साइक्लामेन थिंक कर सकते हैं. सो मेडिसिन विल बी द साइक्लामेन. Okay, this is a chili pulsatilla. You study cyclamen. This is your homework. What is cyclamen? Just study it. Cyclamen is so many symptoms are same like pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is hot and here cyclamen is the chili. So burning only in heels, cyclamen is the medicine. Then cracks and fissures in the heels. When petroleum fails to give result, you have to think of Arundo 30. So petroleum is one of the best medicine for cracks of soles as well as cracks of heels. You are giving petroleum, but when petroleum does not work, you have to think of next medicine, and that next medicine is the Arundo. Okay, I think this is rare medicine for you, but I am using it regularly and it gives very good result. So we'll stop here in a very short clinical tip, very simple. We have talked about soles and palms. Okay, so burning as well as cracks in the soles and heels. These all are the medicine which gives very good result. Thank you so much.